my dining room. Today I'm going to show you what I made my friends for Christmas. I have 4 best friends, and I made them all Christmas presents because they're going to come over and we're going to have a nice Christmas party. And it was a lot of work to make them. So let's get started. Let's start with John. So here's a picture of John, wherever I put it, here or here, whichever one I decide. Now here's the card. It's just a bunch of googly eyes. And it says Rudolph isn't good at hide and seek. So what I made for him is a J block, and I filled it with pictures of us. The next thing is a Harry Potter necklace because he really likes Harry Potter. I also got him a few stickers like Superman, Batman, SpongeBob, and Patrick because that's what he likes. So, and I drew the 5 of us as Adventure Time characters. He really likes Adventure Time. So that's it for John. Next, let's do Justin. This is what Justin looks like. And for his card, I made like a little Santa. And then when you go like this, he shaved. Because Justin has a beard. So for Justin, I made him a bunch of little stickers, like Rick and Morty, Big Mouth, and then I even drew us as stickers. The second thing I did was I bought a fidget spinner and I printed out a picture of him and I put him on the fidget spinner. And I think it's the best present I've ever gotten anyone, to be honest. The final thing that I made was just a bunch of pictures of us, but like printed like Polaroids. How I did that was I just printed off pictures onto paper and then I covered them with masking tape. So it's like plasticky. It's really cute. I made like a lot. Hope he enjoys them. The next person I made a gift for was Laura, and this is what she looks like. Her card is like string, like I just poked a hole in the cardboard and put some string in it. And for her, I made an ornament of hot chocolate mix and marshmallows. This is a cat mug, but I put like wax in it, so now it's a candle, and it smells like lavender. I made a constellation book, so I just poked holes in cardboard in the shape of constellations so that she can get her phone just shine the light. The last thing I got her was, you know those like solar system bracelets that are all over Instagram? Yeah, I got her one of those, and 2 came in the pack, so like now I have one. So it's like matching, but really I didn't need it. Now, the last present is for my bestest friend in the entire universe, and her name is Sophia. She was in my gingerbread video. The card is the Grinch, because she likes the Grinch, and she is the Grinch, and that's all. The first thing was just this stack of hot chocolate mix peppermints and marshmallows. I went to Buffalo in October and I got this shirt for her. It says Beauty School Dropout because she loves Grease. So this next one is not for Sophia. It's for her dog Charlie, who looks like this. The next thing is a Pinky Promise necklace, and I bought a matching one so that we can match. This one was purposely matching. Who makes a coloring book? Me. It's called Fun with Sophia because that's like our thing. So like I just drew a bunch of pictures of us, but I didn't color them in. And then it also has like a maze and like crossword puzzle and all that kind of stuff. It starts with chapter 1, which is grade 9, and it's just a bunch of iconic pictures that we've taken in grade 9. Chapter 2 is grade 10, chapter 3 is grade 11, chapter 4, grade 12. Chapter 5 is like just a bunch of pictures that we took because we wanted to make a calendar. So yeah, that's what I got for Sophia. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.